Top 6 Homeopathic Medicines for Joint Pain After Injury. Joint pain following an injury can be incredibly uncomfortable, often lingering long after the initial trauma has healed. Homeopathy offers gentle and natural remedies that target both the pain and the underlying inflammation, supporting the body's healing process. Here are 6 top homeopathic medicines for joint pain relief after injury. 1. Arnica montana, for trauma and bruises. Arnica is often the first remedy for injuries, especially when there is bruising, soreness, or swelling. It's excellent for joint pain resulting from falls, blows, or other traumas. When to use. Pain from blunt trauma, swelling, and bruising. Potency and dosage. 30C potency taken every few hours initially, reducing frequency as symptoms improve. 2. Ruta Graveolens for ligament and tendon injuries. Ruta is highly effective for joint pain that stems from ligament or tendon injuries. It works well when joints feel weak and sore, particularly after overuse or strain. When to use. Joint pain with stiffness, soreness, and weakness. Potency and dosage. 6C or 30C, depending on severity, up to 3 times daily. 3. Rhus Toxicodendron, for pain with stiffness. Known as Rhus Tox, this remedy is ideal for joint pain that improves with gentle movement but worsens during rest. It's commonly used for conditions like arthritis that worsen in damp weather or when the joint has been overworked. When to use. Pain with stiffness that eases with movement. Potency and dosage. 30C, up to 3 times daily as needed. 4. Bryonia alba, for sharp, aggravated pain. Bryonia is used for joint pain that worsens with the slightest movement and improves with rest. This remedy is perfect for injuries where the joint is hot, swollen, and aggravated by any movement. When to use. Sharp pain aggravated by movement, swelling, and heat. Potency and dosage. 30C, every 4 hours initially, then reduce as symptoms improve. 5. Hypericum perforatum, for nerve-related pain. Hypericum is recommended when joint pain is related to nerve injuries. It's particularly effective for sharp, shooting pains that radiate along nerves, which is common in injuries around joints with high nerve density. When to use. Shooting pain, nerve damage, tingling, or numbness. Potency and dosage. 30C, taken as needed up to 4 times a day. 6. Symphytum officinale, for bone and soft tissue injuries. Commonly known as comfrey, Symphytum is effective for injuries involving the bone and surrounding soft tissues. It aids in the healing of fractures, joint pain after trauma, and also supports the regeneration of tissues. When to use. Joint pain with bone trauma or injury to the surrounding tissues. Potency and dosage. 6C, once or twice daily until improvement. Homeopathic remedies are safe and effective alternatives for managing joint pain after an injury. For the best results, consult a qualified homeopath to determine the most suitable remedy and potency based on your specific symptoms.